back to my channel. It is Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a wonderful, fantastic day. I'm doing really good today. I got off work a little bit early so I can sit down and film for you guys. I have time, so my hair is a little crazy from work. But again, I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we have yet again another unboxing. Today we have my Vella Box. If you don't know, Vellabox offers different options, like the size candle that you get. This is a candle subscription. The one that I got is the cheapest one, which is $10 a month. It always comes with a cute little candle and then something a little extra. So I will leave all of the options down below along with their website link. It is no way an affiliate link. I just like it to leave it down there so you guys have easy access to it as always. So let's get into this box and see what kind of candle we got. So here is the box that is yellow and has a little flame in the middle of it. Find my box cutter here. And we will cut on into this. Okay, so we open up the box and it looks like this. And it has a little card on top. And it just says, give thanks, #Vellabox. And there is the little card for this month. And then on the bottom of the box, it also has another card that gives us some featured favorites, which are Waxy & Co., Pears and Brandy, Pomegranate Cider, All Good Lip Balm. So I guess there's some lip balm in here. So here is the other little card that came in there. And then our extra little goodie for this month is a little chapstick. And this is Chai or Chi lip balm. It says All Good Lips, Elemental Herb SPF 15, which, like I said in some of my other videos, I absolutely love getting chapsticks because my lips freak out when it's really cold outside. So I always enjoy getting little chapsticks. And we'll see, there we go. And it is just a white chapstick here. So I would definitely use it. I go through tons of chapsticks, especially in the winter months. And then we get into the candle, and every month it comes in a little drawstring bag. This bag is super cute. It's like fall, and I love the color and the pattern on it. And then we get inside and we have our candle. Ooh, it has a different jar from last month. So here is the jar of the candle. It is very nice looking. I really like that. And this is Waxy & Co. This is hand-poured soy candle, Pears and Brandy, Orlando, Florida. So there's that again. Open up, give it a sniff. Ooh, it smells exactly like pears, like exactly like pears. It smells super good. It is just a white candle, and this is a pretty good size. I know that the cheapest one is $10 a month, and then like they have other ones where you can get a bigger candle and a small one for, I can't remember the prices, but like I said, I'll leave all of that down in the description below. But I love getting candles. I've always loved candles. I'm always buying them and burning them in my house. My house smells good. And this one smells especially good. So I would definitely be burning this and using my little chopstick. This is a super short video for this unboxing. But I would love to know all of your thoughts and opinions down below. Do you guys think it's worth $10 for a little candle and a little extra gift? I think last month we got some tea. And then the candle, so I really like it. And these are all hand poured. They burn clean. No extra chemicals or anything like that gets into the air. So that is really good. The really good thing about this candle. And it just says natural soy wax. And then it has, this approximate burn time is 25 hours. Excuse me. So that is not bad at all. And also, if you guys see me in the same shirt in my future videos, it is because it'll be the same day and I'm filming back-to-back today. But anyways, that is all that I have for the little Vella box this month. If you guys like this box, I would love to know all of your thoughts and opinions down below. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you think it's worth it? And I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!